Welcome to Auto's Time. Today we bring you something truly unique, a creation that redefines the way we look at mobility, adventure, and compact living. This is the Tricycle Camper, a bold innovation that takes the spirit of camping and freedom and reshapes it into a lightweight, three-wheeled design that is both practical and futuristic. For travelers who crave independence and minimalism but still want the comfort of a camper, this is the perfect machine. It is not just a camper, it is a lifestyle on wheels. Imagine hitting the road on three wheels. No bulky RV, no oversized motorhome, but still carrying everything you need for your journey. The Tricycle Camper captures attention immediately with its striking design. Sleek lines, aerodynamic build, and a compact body that can easily navigate tight streets or countryside trails. It looks futuristic, but at the same time feels approachable, inviting you to step inside and start your next adventure. Inside, the magic continues. This is not just a shell with wheels. It's a micro home thoughtfully designed for comfort and convenience. Depending on the model, you get a foldable bed, clever storage solutions, and even a compact kitchenette. Every inch of space is utilized, making sure you can travel light but never compromise on the essentials. It is the dream of every minimalist traveler, perfectly blending portability with functionality. Whether you are a solo explorer, a digital nomad, or a weekend adventurer, this camper transforms your travel experience. But what makes the Tricycle Camper even more special is its adaptability. Unlike traditional RVs that often struggle in crowded cities or narrow mountain roads, this camper thrives in both. You can cruise into a busy urban center, park it in tighter spaces, and still have your own mobile home ready whenever you need a break. On the open road, it feels stable and efficient, with its three-wheel design ensuring balance and comfort during long rides. Performance is another highlight. Lightweight construction makes it fuel-efficient or, in some models, fully electric. That means lower running costs and a step towards sustainable travel. In a world where eco-friendly solutions are more important than ever, the Tricycle Camper stands as a symbol of responsible innovation. You get the freedom to explore without the guilt of leaving a heavy carbon footprint behind. Now let's talk about the lifestyle it creates. Owning a Tricycle Camper is more than just buying a vehicle. It's choosing a new way of living. It's about waking up to sunrise by the lake, sipping coffee in the mountains, or pulling over at a quiet beach to rest under the stars. It's about saying goodbye to the limitations of hotels and schedules and embracing the spontaneous side of life. The Tricycle Camper becomes your ticket to unlimited adventures, offering a sense of independence that only true travelers understand. For enthusiasts of design, the Tricycle Camper also sparks curiosity. Its futuristic appearance sets it apart, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. People stop, stare, and ask questions. It's not just transport. It's a conversation starter, a statement of innovation and creativity on the road. As we move into a future where compact living and sustainable travel become more popular, the Tricycle Camper fits perfectly into this trend. It proves that you don't need size to create comfort, and you don't need to spend big to live big. With thoughtful engineering, modern design, and a passion for freedom, it brings the camping dream closer to everyone. At Auto's Time, we believe vehicles like this are more than machines. They represent ideas, possibilities, and inspiration. The Tricycle Camper is proof that adventure can be simple, stylish, and sustainable. So if you are someone who dreams of travel without limits, who values freedom more than luxury, this might be the machine for you. Thank you for joining us at Auto's Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing innovations from the world of cars, campers, and everything in between. Your next adventure could be waiting on three wheels.